Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, the Driven Dave YouTube channel. Today we are going to be working with another great product from my friends at Vion. We've got the Model 3 and Y center console hub. I have wanted one of these ever since I got my car, so I'm really excited to finally have one. My center USB ports actually blew up, so I wasn't able to use this right away, but I'm really excited to try it out now. So I'm going to show you everything that comes in the box, and also Vion was nice enough to send me 2 new charging cables, which is it's like they knew exactly what I needed when I needed them. And check these out, aren't they cool? They're like the Tesla wall connector style. Really cool. And these are designed specifically for the Tesla, so you can use them in any of the USB-C ports. You can see we've got also a USB-C out, and then also a Lightning out. So if you've got an iPhone and a new iPhone, or maybe you're a house divided, you've got an iPhone and an Android like my house, is great. So I can charge my iPhone 12 and my wife can charge her Samsung. So, we're happy there. So got these, and then we'll take a look in the box here, see what you've got. Before we take a look in here, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. That would really help me out. Another thing that would really help me out is if you can go use my link and go to the Vion website and buy all of their stuff, because I love their stuff, and you'll also help support the channel. I think you're really gonna love it. I've talked a lot about this roof shade. Be sure to check that out. I've also got a really beautiful Alcantara dash mat and iPhone mount. I'm telling you, check out Vion, buy everything that they make. They are just wonderful. Driven coupon 10 is going to save you 10% also. So, first of all, really super nice packaging. We've got a little explanation user manual here. And let's take a look at the device itself. Who needs directions? Let's do it. You can see that it comes in this nice package. I did cheat. I did take it out already and test it out because I just wanted to see it. I was too excited. I couldn't wait. And I also pulled the little protective thing off the screen. But you can see you've got 2 USB-A ports, then you've got a USB-C here, and then a high-powered USB-C. So I saw another video, a guy charged his MacBook Air with this, which is pretty cool, and was able to verify the 27-watt power delivery. So really cool. It also has a little flashlight built in, so you just hit this button and it's going to light up the front part of your center console. And then obviously here we've got the little cables. These are going to clip in to your center console USBs. So let's put it in and check it out. All right, my friends, here we go. I'm going to get you right in for the action. So here we've got our little USB hub, and I'm just going to plug in first the USB cables. You should know where this is. I'm doing it by feel just so that I can keep an eye. There we go. So we got both plugged in. And now all I do is just slide it in. It lines up really well. Okay, so now we're going in for a closer look. You can see, I'm going to turn on the little flashlight. Look at that. And the owner's manual tells me that is, it uses pretty much no power, so not to worry about it. Power use is very negligible. All right, so we've got everything hooked up. Now let's plug in our charging cables. And what I was thinking about is what I really like about USB-C is that you can plug these in. If you want to go this way, that's cool. If you want to go this way, no problem. Unlike the old USB-As, which we have 2 here. But with the USB-As, is like you plug it in, it's wrong, you turn it around, it's wrong, you turn it back, then it's perfect. So no worries here. That's really nice. You see we've still got this front light on, and these lights are just so cool. And I really like these charging cables. I would plug in my phone and show you, but I'm actually filming with it right now. But as you can see, you've got these cool little lights, and once we plug a device in, you'll actually see how much power it's drawing. Come to think of it, I'm going to grab my iPad, we're going to power it up, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, so I've got my iPad. You can see, well, it's already at 100%, but whatever. Let's plug it in for good measure. ABC, always be charging, right? So it looks like I've got the iPhone plugged into the high power one. So I'm actually going to unplug this, and we're going to put the I'm gonna put the USB-C one in there and see what it does. Let's check it out. I'm plugging it into my iPad like so. A little hard to do one-handed. There we go. And as you can see, 5 watts. And we are plugged in and charging 100%. And you can see the status light. It's just so cool. I love these cables. And I love this hub. I'm going to turn out the lights. I think it should get dark enough in here that you can kind of see the effect. That's really slick. We'll turn the light back on here. Perfect. And in the owner's manual, it says it does have an auto off feature. Check that out. That is so cool. Notice also the Vion wood grain wrap, which is really cool. And it also comes with the kit for this wrap. Also comes with the carbon fiber door handle covers, and that, I love those. It's just so cool. So definitely pick that up. It's super affordable too. It's like under 20 bucks. Do it. Treat yourself. And my friends, I think that's it for today. Super easy, super quick. You can see no tools required. You just pop it on, and I just want to stare at it. It looks so neat. I love the little display screen. It's a very minimal design. It's just super cool. I can't stop looking at it. Check it out. And I just want to plug in more stuff. I want to see 27 watts. But so one thing that I didn't realize about this hub, which is really cool when I first put it in, is that it will in fact hit 27 watts if your phone, like specifically in this case the iPhone, is below 80%. So I think I'm at about 49%. I'm going to plug in and watch the magic. 15. It was at 27. There we go, 27. It's ramped up. So it's kind of like charging your Tesla. When you're lower in the pack, you're gonna charge at a faster peak charging curve, and as it fills up, this will slow down. So I just kind of love seeing 27. It's fun. So anyway, I hope that clarifies some things for you. That is just so slick, man. So huge thank you to Vion. A huge thank you to all of you for watching. And don't forget to support the channel by using my link, buying some Vion stuff, and tell your friends. I'd really appreciate it. So until next time, everybody, stay safe out there and stay driven. See you next time. Perfect.